Okay, welcome to the Tamberelli Digital website demo. I'm going to show you how to make changes on the home page to add a product here in the featured product area. When you do it automatically, it'll update your rate card. I'll show you how to make a change to the home page area and the department contacts area, which is basically called the About Us in the back end of the website. So we'll go back to the home page and we'll show you. We're going to start with adding the product, and I'll show you how that works. Over here is the back end. When you log into the back end of the website, this is where you're going to start. You have your dashboard, which talks right off the bat about anything that you've recently added. You've got your product section where you can add a product, manage existing, featured, products for sale, and that's where you manage all of this stuff here. So we jump back around. After you've changed something, your dashboard seems to be the place where anything that's been modified or changed can be added or deleted. This is your delete button. That's your edit button. So if you want to make a change to anything there. So that's basically, you got two areas. You got your products, which will appear here and through here. And then you've got your content, which is your home page and the contact us page. And those are the two areas where you're going to make those changes. So that's pretty much the way the content managed system works. So let me show you how we can add the Canon product to the home page. Go over to products, click on add a product, and your product window comes up. You select your category, it's a camera. Select your subcategory, it's a high def camera. And we put our product type in, we're going to leave that blank. Now right here where you have your products options, you're going to make it an active product. By checking featured product, it'll appear on the home page. We can say that it's a new product. And then we're going to put in the product name. Canon EOS 300. The manufacturer is Canon. The model number is EOS 300. Format, it's high definition. You'd put your rental code in here, put your daily rate in there. I believe the replacement value was $16,500. And whatever else you need to put in, you just fill in these areas. Now, the only other thing that's really important is the description text. That text has to be what's called pure text. That means it can't come from an email because emails have hidden HTML commands in it. It can't come from Word because Word also has hidden HTML commands in it. Excel, anything else. You have to use, there's only two ways that you can input text. One would be to type it right into this window. And two would be to cut and paste it from a text program. Now, on the Macintosh, TextEdit is a pretty popular program that can convert text to pure text. When I say pure text, what I mean is no formatting whatsoever. It's just characters. If you're working on a PC, they usually come with a program called Notepad. That's also a way for you to generate pure text. So you can cut and paste from Word to Notepad and Notepad into this back end of the site right here. We're going to open up a TextEdit document. And you can see, if you take a look at this TextEdit document here, this is the description that was sent to me for the Canon. You can see that its font is like Times and things like that. You're going to want to highlight this text and convert it to make plain text, and you'll see the difference. It just becomes this courier type font. So with that, you select your text and you copy it, and you come back to your description and paste. And then you can go to your alternate description and paste it in there as well. So that covers the descriptions and how to put the text in. Down here you will browse for your photograph, find your folder where it is, submit it. Now, I filled all my stuff out. We can jump over to the home page here. You can see how the featured product is the camcorder. We jump back to the back end and hit submit, and the new product has been added. We jump over here to the home page and refresh, and now your Canon product is there, and there is your description, and then this one gets bumped down. Okay, so that's how we've added the featured product area. If you go to your rate card and you go under camera and you go under high def camera, the Canon EOS 300 has been added there with the $600 daily rate. If you go under new products, here it is also. So there's your Canon EOS 3. So that's your demonstration on how to add a product. Pretty simple. So if we go to your home page, I don't really want to change Mr. Tamberelli's message. I'm just going to make a real quick change to it to show you how it works. Go back to your back end, go to pages, edit home page, and basically these are your tools for adding pictures in here, adding text. The current text is there now. You can see all of it all the way down to what he did in 2010. All I'm going to do is change this double dash right here to a single dash. That way I'm not really changing Mr. Tamberelli's message, but I am making an edit. Then I submit that change. We jump back to the home page. You can see we got double dashes right here. I hit refresh, and now they're single dashes. So that's how you make a change on your welcome area. Okay. The only other page that you can change is your contact us page. Right here, you can see. And what we're going to do is jump to the back end, jump to our edit us page. Okay. And we'll come down to Charles Gambino. And you can change Charles Gambino. We can add a Mr. in front of that, Mr. Charles Gambino. Submit. Go back to the page. You see Charles Gambino is here. Refresh. And you have Mr. Charles Gambino. That's pretty much how you make changes. And let's start here for now. I can do a more extensive training video to show you how to put in email addresses and things like that. But let's just stop here, and let's go fix Mr. Gambino and change that back to Charles Gambino. Hit the submit. Always make sure you hit the submit button, because that's the way you save the page. Jump back to the site. We're going to change that. Refresh, Charles Gambino. So that shows you how to change the home page text here. It shows you how to make a change to department contacts, excuse me. And also, by going back here and we go to your dashboard, it says when you want to add a product. These categories are important because it basically tells you exactly where the product's going to go. And these checkboxes here are also important because it'll tell you whether it's going to show up on the featured project page, the new project page, and become an active product. Okay? All right, so that'll show you how this thing works. And if you have any questions or you need anything more explained, just let me know. Thanks.